Welcome to madecv.com. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Elena Asuncion, 44 years old.
Mm-hmm.
I'm from Philippines,
Okay. Are you single or married?
separated.
Do you have children?
Yeah, I have one daughter, 16 years old.
Where is your daughter now?
It's in Philippines.
Who's taking care of your daughter?
My mom, my
Your
mother,
mother. Okay. So when would you be able to start working?
maybe first week of July.
First week of July. Okay. Do you have relatives here in UAE?
I have my brother.
Okay. Please describe your present job. What are you doing right now with your present employer?
I'm taking care of the baby, ironing the clothes, sometimes preparing foods for them, cleaning the house. But most of the time, I take care of the kids.
Okay, how old? How old is the child?
Is getting 3 years old this coming July.
3 years old. Okay. So what do you like most about your present job and why?
Uh, and
What do
I,
you enjoy doing?
I
Cleaning, cooking, or looking after the boy?
just taking the kids, the boy, because he's a premature and not walking yet. So I'm focused to the boy.
Okay. So describe in details how do you perform your task for each location in the house? How do you clean the living room?
I clean the living room with the. I do it first vacuum,
Mhm.
and then I do the chair, the table. I must swipe it, put some this polish. Then I scrub the floor like that.
Okay. So how about the kitchen? How do you clean the kitchen?
I clean the oven, the refrigerator, the floor, put some soap like that, scrub.
Okay. So how about the bedroom? How do you clean the bedroom?
I clean the bedroom like this in like the living room, vacuum, polish the furniture, like that.
Okay. So how many times in a week do you change the bed sheet?
Uh, once in a week,
Once a week. Okay.
yeah.
So how about the toilet? How do you clean the toilet?
I clean the toilet every day.
Every day. You clean it every day.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you know how to cook?
Yeah, a little bit. If I have a cookbook, I know how to do it.
So you can follow instruction in
Yeah.
cookbooks. Very good. What favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
Sometimes because the boy didn't walk yet, so I just let him hold it and we try to walk so that he can do exercise like that.
Okay.
And he love to play ball, Lego, like that.
Okay. So what do children like best about you?
Every time he said to me, Elena, I love you. Because this boy smile so good. So
Okay. So if one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what are you going to do?
um, I give him first aid and call emergency number 911. I forgot now because I do some training before.
Training before.
Yeah, I
Okay.
have certificate for training.
Mm-hmm. Certificate for first aid?
Yeah, I do for the kids.
Okay. So, as a nanny, could you say no to a child?
Sometimes I said no if I know that it's not good. So I said no, don't do it. That's bad. I tell you.
Okay, very good. So the child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have her dinner at 6 p.m. During those 3 hours, what will you do to entertain the child?
Playing like that, give some snacks.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what kind of a housemaid and nanny are you? Describe yourself.
Uh, I'm the patient one. I'm not that one like the other that always talking like that. I'm a quiet, just smiling like that. And I never answer my madam.
Okay, you're quiet, happy, obedient, and hardworking. Okay,
Yes.
so please give a short message to your future employer.
Uh,
Why should they hire you? Why?
if someone employ me, I'm a trustworthy, I'm a patient, and this, I love children.
Trustworthy, patient, then you love children.
Yeah.
Okay, Please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from maidcv.com. Thank you.
Thank